All right, what's up? Welcome back with another trading recap. Today was a very rough day to say the least. The shorts were just fucking relentless today. And yeah, they pretty much just are shorting every fucking ticker very confidently. It's just that market. There's just that cycle of just when the shorts are in control of most of these small caps, and then there's a cycle where the bulls are in control, and just right now is not too good. My highest point I was down today was $39, but I was able to get that down to $18.75, which, I mean, I can take that loss. It's not bad. I can recover that in a half a day, or half of my trading profits of a day, or 1 day of trading profits. So I'm not that worried. It is what it is. The market didn't give me any opportunity. Going into the open, I had no stocks that I wanted to trade, and I was pretty much just like had a shotgun approach. I put in like 100 shares on PBTS. I thought this thing was going to bounce off of this low on the double bottom. So I was buying in here. I bought like 100 shares, and then I stopped out down here. That was a roughly like $20 loss, which, I mean, okay, that's normal. I mean, it's not too extreme. And then I went in on BCTX. I was trying to scalp this on this flush, but it didn't bounce, and I took a loss there. There was just I felt like there was no buyers in the market today, because there's nothing had momentum, nothing was following through, nothing was even bouncing after the flush. So I just felt like the buyers are just on vacation, and the shorts are just the only ones running the market. ATNF is the only stock that's kind of has some sort of buyers. You could see it's been bouncing here, had a nice run up for 80 cents. I didn't capture this move, but I scalped it down in this area. Here you can, I don't expect this to break through this trend line and run up. There's just not enough momentum in the market. So I think I might be done for today. I mean, I don't want to trade anymore. I can handle a $18 loss. It's not devastating. I really don't think I'm going to get back to break even or profit, just because there's just not a lot of opportunity today in the market. So I think I'm just going to call it a day. And you know, today wasn't a day, holy shit. Today wasn't a day that really had too big of an effect on my, holy shit. Okay, maybe we should play this. Let's see. See if we can get over 12. I think I might squeeze out the shorts. What's the high here?
What if you could make a full-time living online, getting paid for your advice? You might not know this, but there is a surge of people launching brand new
There's a
websites.
quick scalp right there, 10-cent scalp.
$10,000 a month getting paid for their expertise and their knowledge. People like Drew DePaula, who sells a course about designing or Kara Stein, who teaches people how to write a best-selling book, and Hunter Masters, who teaches guys how to dance with their wife.
I want to see a bounce. Oh, fuck.
Creator of Sam Carter.
Right now, if I bought it, I would be chasing this. I can't. I can't.
Use our software to launch and sell.
It should be a chase. I can't. No. I need to see a bounce, a double bottom on this candle at 1180.
So if you want to know how to get paid for your advice, your knowledge, or your expertise, then do not miss our next free training.
I got myself up.
We reveal the simple
Another $1.50.
All of these people use to launch.
Should have bought more, but I mean, that's just what I had open right now.
What type of product you should create, how to create that.
Let's see it on this first pullback. Maybe I think we're gonna get one more dip before we retest this high, and squeeze out some shorts who have stops up here before flushing. That's my thesis. I think that's what we might see.
If you're thinking, why would you just give this process away? The answer is very.
So I'm just gonna wait for the first dip. I'm gonna see it below 12. I'm trying to get in below 12.
Six-figure online business. and then use SamCard to power it. To get access to this training, just click the button down below this video, jump into our next available session, and I'll see you there.
There we go. Holy shit.
You're doing great with that twirling.
Let's take 10 off right there. Oh, this shit's gonna go.
Oh, you're right.
Baton High School.
Yep. I remember.
Let's
Switch to
buy
progressive
40
and you can
more.
save hundreds. You know, like the sign says.
I'm gonna hold for the high, hold for the high. Took 20 off there. Took another 20 off. I'm gonna hold the rest of the 20 for the high. Okay, Average broke out there, took 10 off there. Let's hold this. This is the last 10 shares. And I'm gonna take it off there. It broke a new high and it's pulling back. Well, there we go. I got me down from 18 to 8. So made nice 10 bucks there. That's good. That's really good. It's not bad. I'll take an $8 loss any day. I mean, that's fucking, on a bad day, I'll take an $8 loss. That's not devastating. You can easily make that back. It's just a part of trading. I'm gonna have the red days. And you know, I just gotta keep the red days small. At one point I was down $39 flat, straight 39. I got it down to 88. So essentially I had $30 win. Which isn't bad. But I think I'm gonna call it. I don't think there's much left. So that's really it. I showed you my big losses, right? ATNF, I mean, I didn't even see this until it was up here, and then I like scalped it down here on this dip. I didn't go in heavy enough, and I didn't hold long enough to really realize this potential up here, which was a nice 40 cent gain. But my two biggest losses here today were on the PBTS move. This flush here, I mean, this downtrend, I thought it was gonna bounce and do a double bottom and retest VWAP before flushing, but it didn't. Cut it for a $20 loss on 100 shares, which is actually kind of bad. It's bad risk management. I think it was like actually in 150 shares. And then it was a BCTX. It flushed and it didn't have any buyers, and you know, I took this off for a quick $3 loss, 271. Which is good, which is very good. And I think PBTS, I think I went back in because I was fucking stressed, and I went back in down here and it just fucking went sideways and never bounced. And I think a small loss, so down 17 on that. That was my biggest one. I think all over today, it is what it is. I did okay, down $8 on how bad it could have been today, unless I was a short. That's why I'm ready to get to my $25,000 goal so I can start shorting, and that would be very nice. Today would have actually been maybe a good day for being short, but that will be soon. But yeah, that's it. If you guys enjoyed this, please comment, like, and subscribe. It gave you a nice live trading couple scalps for my live trades, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next recap. Peace.